The Car Defender from Pyronix is a great way to secure your vehicle when it's parked at home. We all know theft from vehicles is at its real peak right now, and the ability to add this device to your home system gives you that peace of mind that should the vehicle be tampered with, that the alert will be sent through to your system. This unit is easy to install and can be added to the steering wheel or any of the side doors to any vehicle. On activation, it sends the alert through to the app, which then can be connected to various scenarios on your alarm system, such as turning on lights or activating sirens. No good coming back to your vehicle at whatever time in the morning and finding, one, your vehicle has been broken into and all of your tools have been stolen, or the vehicle itself is no longer on the drive. Get that notification straight to your phone. As you can see, this is quick and easy to install, and this is why we recommend this as a part of a deterrent for protecting your property at home. Speak to any of the Pyronix team for a demonstration and see how easy this is to add to any system.